Hey everyone, I'm Jay Peel, the Syntrax Chef, and today we're going to be making a pumpkin patch smoothie using our Syntrax MacroPro vanilla bean. Okay, so first we're going to add 1.5 cups of oats, 3/4 cups of pureed pumpkin, 1 frozen ripe banana, tablespoon of walnuts, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and also 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, 1.5 cups of milk, and lastly 1 scoop of our Syntrax MacroPro vanilla bean protein powder. Okay, and now we'll blend it until smooth, which is usually about 10 seconds. And just like that, we have our pumpkin patch smoothie. Top it with whipped cream. Dash of cinnamon. And now you have your pumpkin patch smoothie.